If your AI chatbot looks like this, then you are doing it wrong. Instead, I built this super powered AI chatbot that remembers all of your customer or your clients across all of your social media. So previously we were building only these kind of chatbots. That the problem with this chatbot is that it cannot remember if the customer, for example, is coming from Instagram, and then if the same customer send us an email, it cannot remember who that customer is and opening a new conversation. But with this new method that I built, your AI agent can remember all of your customers, and if they leave in mid conversation and come back through another channel, for example, if they are talking to you from Instagram and then the next day they send you an email, then your AI agent will remember and take the conversation from where they left off, but inside the email. So right now, as you can see, we have 4 different triggers, which is Facebook, Instagram, Gmail, and WhatsApp. So first, I'm gonna show you a demo. We're just gonna send a message to a test page that I created from Facebook. And once the AI agent has all the information, it will insert all this information into our CRM. So the next time that I send an email, so the agent can look up into the CRM and understand who am I and take the conversation from where it was left. So yeah, if you have already built such kind of agents, you know that these kind of boring stuff, I put it here. These are only for configuration for Meta. So you just configure your confirmation. So the next step is to create a session ID for all of our customers. So it must be a unique one. And then after that, for the first time when they send us a message, it goes to the first agent. And once the first agent, I call it lead AI agent, so grabs all the information and put it inside the Airtable, which is our CRM. And the next time that the customer sends us a message, here we can understand if it is an existing customer or it's a new one. And if it is an existing customer, then we're gonna send our message to this AI agent, and already this AI agent has all the previous conversation history, so we can answer to the questions. So now here I'm on my Facebook, and this is the test page that I connected to this AI chatbot, just only to show you how it works. So here I'm gonna send a message, but let's go there and click execute workflow, so we can so our webhook starts listening for data. And here we are, I just sent the message, and you see that we will receive this message in our webhook. And now we will check our database to see if there is an existing customer or not. So yeah, it took the first route and sent it to lead agent, because that obviously that was the first time that I was talking to this agent. And after that, it sent us back the message using this one. So let's go back to Facebook and see. It says, nice to meet you. I don't think I caught your first name yet. What should I call you? So now we will talk to our agent, and step by step we will give our information. And once the agent has all the information, it will create our lead inside our CRM. So this CRM can be anything. It can be Google Sheet, Airtable. So here I'm using Airtable. We have email, first name, last name, phone number, and platform ID. So once the agent has all this information, it will insert it to this CRM. So I'm going to show you. And also for our memory, you see that our these two agents are connected to a Postgres chat. I'm using Supabase for that. If you know how to connect it, so that's good. If you don't know how to connect, just watch my previous videos. I already talked about it so many times, how you can connect your Facebook, your Instagram to your webhook trigger on N8N. Or if you want to know how you can connect your Supabase and start using the Postgres chat memory. So all of the memories or chat memories will be saved on our Supabase here. So this is our table. You see that all of the messages are here. So let me also delete everything here, and because we will just want to talk start a new conversation. So now we don't have any record in our table, and let's just go back to our agent and start talking to it. All right, now I'm answering, hey, my name is Ali. So we send the message. Let's go back here and see. Yeah, for the again, it goes to the lead AI agent, to the first agent, until it has the confidence to create our lead into our CRM. So I told this agent to, once you have all the information, then start creating a lead. So if you don't have, if you have a missing information, like phone number is missing, don't create a lead. So as you can see here, it didn't hit this one. So this is a tool for Airtable to create our lead inside Airtable. So yeah, let's go back here. It says, nice to meet you, Ali. What's your last name? So yeah, I just answered that. So now here I'm saying my last name is Tala, and let's go back here. Yeah, again, it generates an answer and send it back to us. All right, got it, Aditala. What's the best email address to reach you? So this is the very simple AI agent that I only told him to, your main job is to collect all information from the person who is messaging you. But once you create this, feel free to tweak the system message towards the business that you need. Maybe you want to sell a product, maybe you want to capture leads, or whatever you want. You can always change the system prompt inside the agent. So yeah, now I'm just gonna give my email address. Yeah, now here I just told him my email address. Let's go back here, watch it again together. Okay, now again hitting the agent. So there will be one last step, because I already gave my name, my last name, my email, and if the last step is the phone number. So if I give my phone number, now probably is asking for my phone number. Now if I give my phone number, after that it will create our lead inside our CRM, and then it will update our session ID to be unique only on our email address. So later when we send an email, it can understand, okay, this email belongs to me, so it can pick up the conversation history. Or if I send a message from WhatsApp, again, it can look into CRM and see, okay, this phone number belongs to this person, so we can check the conversation history and pick up the conversation from where we left off. So yeah, let's go back to here, and it says perfect. Now what's the best phone number to reach you, including country code? All right, now here we are. I'm just giving my fake phone number, so send it to him, and let's go back to the agent. And now it should create our lead using the Airtable tool. As you can see, yeah, it started to creating our lead. And yeah, once we create the lead, then we're gonna change the session ID, because before that the session ID was coming only from the Facebook page ID. So now once we create the lead, the AI agent will change the session ID inside the Supabase to match my email address. So I'm going to show you how exactly it looks like. So now we got back an answer. It says that, great Ali, how can I help you today? Now it starts talking to us, but what happened is that it created our lead. So yeah, here we are in our Airtable. It has my email, my name, last name, my phone number, and also platform ID. So this platform ID is my Facebook ID that I was talking to this agent. So I have my personal page here, and this is the test page that I was talking. So this is imagine that this is the AI agent that is talking. So from my personal page, I'm talking to this, and this number, this platform ID is my personal ID. So we will store it here, so later we can also refer to that. But if we go to Supabase and see our N8N chat history, yeah, let it update. So before that, it only uses the session ID on my Facebook ID. But once we create the lead inside the Airtable, then we're gonna send a request to Postgres to change all the session ID, which is for me, to match my email address. So later, when we send an email, it can understand, okay, this email belongs to me, and it can find all the conversation history and continue talking to us. And because we also save the phone number and platform ID inside the CRM, if again I'm sending a message from WhatsApp, the agent can understand, okay, the message is coming to WhatsApp, and it can match the number to this one. It can understand, okay, this number belongs to Ali, so this is Ali, he's messaging us from WhatsApp. So let's continue the conversation. Or again, if I keep chatting on Facebook Messenger, then we also have the platform ID, which is Facebook ID, and the agent again will continue chatting with us from where we left off. So now that we already have our lead inside CRM, I'm gonna go to my email and send an email to the agent, and you will see that it will again ask me, yeah, we talked previously, how can I help you again? It doesn't start a new conversation. All right, now I'm on my email, the one that I gave to agent, and I'm sending an email to the email that is connected to our agent, and I'm just saying that, hi, do you know my name? So just to test it if it can go and match the email address to the platform ID and pick up the conversation history and tell me like, yeah, I know your name. Or if it fails, it tells me, no, I don't know, let's start a new conversation. Yeah, so let's just send it, and yeah, the message is sent. Let's wait for a few seconds, and yeah, go back to N8N. All right, so now if I click execute workflow for the Gmail trigger, it will look for the latest email that we just sent as saying, hello, do you know my name? And it will match the email inside our CRM from Airtable, and it goes to the second agent here, and second agent is already sharing the same memory with the first agent, so it has the conversation history. So yeah, let's just click here, and it will take the email. We will look into the Airtable. We will set the session ID based on the email, and we will give it to our AI agent, like second AI agent. And as I told you, yeah, second AI agent is also sharing the same memory with the first one, and it just sent us the email. So let's go back to our inbox and see what we got. And here it says, yes I do, you told me your name is Ali Tala. So it remembers. So now you see what happened. I was talking to this agent from Facebook, and then for example next day I send an email like from my Gmail, and the same agent could understand the previous conversation history, looking into our CRM with my previous data, and not to start the conversation again, like we just continue from the previous conversation that we have. So yeah, these kind of agents are very important to have, maybe for your business, because you don't want to every time open a new conversation with your client. You want exactly your agent to know previous history if your customer or your clients are reaching out to you from different platforms. Alright, so let's go back to our Facebook, do another demo here. I just told this agent that I have a question, and it says, of course Ali, go ahead, what is your question? So I'm just giving a very simple question, and again I will go back to Gmail and ask a question again related to that one to see if it can answer or not. So here I'm just saying that what date and time is it right now, so just send it and go back here. It is working. It again goes to the second agent because it already knows our email address. It can match our platform ID with the email, and it sends us back a message. It says it's Tuesday, November 25th 2025, and the current time is 8:12 p.m. So now let's go back to our email, and I will ask this agent that, hey, do you know what is my last question that I asked you, and see if you can answer. So here I'm sending to the same email address asking, hey, what was my last question that I asked you? So let's just send it. And now let's go back to the N8. So now let's click on execute workflow so we can find the last email that we sent. Again, it goes to the second agent. Whenever it goes to the second agent, it means that we already have this person inside our CRM. So yeah, let's go back here, and we get our email back from our agent. It says your last question was what day and time is it right now. So you see that the agent is working very well. It has the ability to find the customer from our CRM and not to open a new conversation with them, because it's kind of frustrating. It can always keep the conversation smoothly, and it can always keep the conversation as where we left off. So yeah, that's it guys for this video. This is the kind of AI agents that you need to build and sell in 2026, because it is not 2024 anymore. Like you just create this AI agent and connect it to a WhatsApp or Facebook for a business and try to sell them. Yeah, obviously this is not going to work anymore. You need to build this kind of powerful AI agent that knows the chat history, can take actions, perform actions, and yeah, these are the super powerful AI chatbots. And if you want to download this template and bring it to your N8 and start working on it, not to just build everything from scratch by yourself, just check the link down in the description. There will be a link either to my school community. So as we speak, the school community is going to be published very soon. So by the time that you are watching this video, maybe the community is published already. Yeah, just check it out. You can join and grab all the resources that I share on my YouTube channel. Or if you don't see the direct link to the school community, it means that we are still on the wait list. So there might be a wait list there. So if you click on that wait list, it will take you to this page. And if you just click on join the wait list, just put your name, put your email, and tell me what do you want to learn, like building with AI. So it will help me to create this community specifically for you. Yeah, just give me a brief message and then click on join the waitlist. And once the community is published, I'm going to personally send you an email and inform you. So yeah, definitely check it out in the description. It might be either the direct link to the community or the waitlist. And that's it for this video. I hope you found value and you enjoyed it. And if you did, please give it a like. It really helps me to show this video to more people like you. And if you have any idea or anything to say to me, just put it down in the comment section. I'll be reading them and answering them as soon as possible. Once again, thank you so much. Made it so far watching this video. I wish you a great day, and I see you in the next video.